So I've had a new camera arrive. The one I'm currently using is a Canon EOS 600D. It's a bit overkill for what it is, so we've just purchased let me switch this over. So this one is a Canon Legria HF R806. I was looking at cameras to use for streaming, and a lot of people seem to think this is a good camera. So yeah, I figured I'd try it. We've had lots of great reviews about it on YouTube and Googling it. So let's go ahead, unbox it. So out of the box we have a cool handy case. Not really going to be needing that. I can get this out. That's a bit easier. Fits on the camera a bit better. Go ahead, open it up. There's a 16 gig SanDisk flash card in this, which is kind of odd considering it says there's an 8 gig on the box. Not complaining. RTFM stuff. UK power lead, battery pack, USB connector, power pack, HDMI to Mini-HDMI. There's nothing left in there, is there? No toys. I'll leave something behind in the box. Okay, so we have the actual camera itself. Wow, it's very lightweight and it's very small. It says 32 times optical zoom, 57 times advanced zoom. So it's unboxed, so I guess the next stage is to get it powered up and have a look what happens. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the battery pack to it. Just slides in from the bottom. So we're good. Let's fit the SD card. So where did this go? There's a little flap there. Shouldn't go that way. Nope. That way. No, we don't want to go that way. So that's it, just clips in place. Push the flat back. Let's go ahead and plug the power into it. Yeah, where the hell is the power socket? So the power socket is on this side. Stick that in. And we're powered up. It's asking me to select English. It's touchscreen. Date format. Yeah, that's fine. Current date is 21st. November 2019, and the current time is 17:55. Screens are quite small on these if you've got fat fingers. 55. 55. So we've got the setup. Next. It's now giving me a choice between MP4 and AV-CHD, so I'm going to go ahead and select MP4. Next. Setup is complete. So, check whether the lens cover is open. It's obviously not. How do we open the lens cover? Just switch on the side here to open the lens cover. And there we go. See if we can get some video output out of this. This does seem to have autofocus on it as well. So we'll see if we can get some video out of it. Okay, so we've got video out of it, and video quality is actually really good. Apart from all that crap on the screen, let's see if we can get rid of it. Yeah, so this menu, settings, LCD output on screen displays, off. And it's gone. So it is a really good camera. The quality on it is really good. So we'll need to get a capture card to see how it works. But yeah, really impressed with the quality of it. So we managed to take all the rubbish off the screen, so I've got a capture card coming tomorrow, so when I get the capture card I'll set it up on the PC and we'll see how it performs. Anyway, I took it out of the box. People seem to like unboxing videos. If you found it helpful, please go ahead, hit the like button. Thanks a lot.